When you look in the mirror, what do you see? Most of us just see a cosmetic canvas. But look a little closer. You are actually looking at a highly active, dynamic neuroimmunoendocrine interface. In this explainer today, we're decoding a literal biological mystery. We're going to pull back the curtain and reveal the hidden operating system of human skin, and those invisible forces that are actively shaping your resilience, your recovery, and your cellular longevity.
So, we've all heard the phrase beauty sleep, right? And it's usually just dismissed as clever marketing for overpriced night creams. But clinical research reveals a really profound truth. Beauty sleep isn't a myth at all. It is a strict biological imperative. It's the hidden mechanism governing exactly how and how fast you age.
All right, let's dive into Section 1 of the skin's hidden clock, or the 24-hour integumentary system.
Here's a massive shift in how you need to think about your body. Your skin doesn't just sit there taking orders from the brain. It actually possesses its own built-in intelligence, operating on a highly tuned biological clock. We call these peripheral circadian clocks. Essentially, every single cell knows exactly what time it is, and they use that information to orchestrate massive DNA repair operations, hydration, and temperature control over a highly precise 24-hour cycle.
Because of those clocks, your skin operates in two radically different states. During the day, it's locked in a relentless defensive mode. It is literally fighting a brutal, ongoing battle against UV radiation and environmental stress. But at night, a hidden switch flips. The skin completely transforms into a regenerative repair factory. This is the exact moment when intense cellular proliferation and collagen synthesis actually happen.
And this nighttime repair mode is highly measurable. The clinical data is stunning. Consistent sleepers, people getting 7 to 9 hours, actually recover from skin damage 30% faster than poor sleepers. 30%! That is a massive biological advantage just hiding in plain sight.
Which brings us to Section 2, the overnight repair sequence, and how we unlock that cellular regeneration.
Let's track this journey into the night. Right at the exact onset of sleep, your melatonin rises. And it isn't just making you tired, it's deploying directly into your skin as a targeted antioxidant. But the true magic unlocks right around the 90-minute mark. Descending into deep, slow-wave sleep is non-negotiable. This is when your pituitary gland unleashes massive pulses of growth hormone, the literal signal commanding your fibroblasts to build new tissue.
I absolutely love this finding. Because when you look closely at this hidden mechanism, you see specific enzymes, like OGG1, that literally work the night shift. While you are completely unconscious, this dedicated cleanup crew is physically repairing mutated DNA caused by the sun's radiation. But it really begs the question, what happens if we interrupt this intricate sequence?
Well, that takes us to Section 3, the cortisol domino effect, and the exact mechanics of biological aging.
You see, lost sleep isn't just a bit of daytime fatigue. It is a severe, systemic stressor. It activates your HPA axis, which keeps your cortisol levels artificially spiked all night long. And this sustained cortisol is devastating. It activates enzymes called matrix metal proteinases. What they do is quite literally command your body to dissolve its own structural scaffolding, actively breaking down your existing collagen and elastin.
This creates a catastrophic biological event that researchers call the double penalty. Think about it. You aren't just missing out on the nighttime repair phase. Sleep deprivation is forcing your body to rapidly accelerate the breakdown of your skin structure. You are building less and losing more. Over time, this mathematically accelerates visible biological aging.
We can even measure this consequence down at the genetic level. Chronic sleep debt slashes your body's baseline ability to express crucial DNA repair genes, like ERCC1 and OGG1. The chronically sleep-deprived are out there fighting daytime damage with a biologically compromised toolkit.
Now we descend even deeper into the systemic consequences. Section 4, the inflammatory feedback loop and the immune skin axis.
Insomnia doesn't just make you exhausted. It triggers a profound inflammatory feedback loop. It spikes pro-inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 right in your bloodstream. This internal fire is a primary trigger for severe dermatological conditions like psoriasis and atopic dermatitis. But the real tragedy here is bidirectional. These skin conditions cause intense nocturnal pain and itching, which completely shatters your sleep architecture. Sleep loss fuels immune disease, and the immune disease destroys your sleep.
To put a precise metric on this vicious cycle, psoriasis patients have a nearly twofold, specifically 1.88 times, increased risk of clinical sleep trouble. The surface symptom,
The rash, or the flare-up you see, is actually a glaring signal of a deep, internal circadian crisis.
And this crisis spans across so many conditions. Treating these symptoms with isolated topical creams while ignoring sleep is like fighting a fire while actively pouring gasoline on it. Because disrupted circadian rhythms mutually exacerbate every single one of these pathologies, from the temperature dysregulation in rosacea to the hormonal shifts driving acne. Sleep is the master regulator holding this entire immune skin axis together.
So how do we fix it? Let's move to Section 5, Reprogramming Your Cellular Health. This is the operating manual for longevity.
Understanding this biological mystery completely changes how we must view our daily habits. Optimizing sleep isn't simply a matter of avoiding midday fatigue. 7 to 8 hours of consistent sleep is a foundational biological requirement. It is the master operating system for regulating inflammation, maintaining genomic stability, and literally halting cellular aging.
Clinical research absolutely solidifies this reality. The visible signs of aging you see in the mirror, the fine lines, the loss of elasticity, the dullness, those are merely the surface-level clues of severe internal circadian disruption. The outside is simply reflecting the microscopic damage accumulating on the inside.
Beyond strict sleep consistency, clinical insights point to specific interventions that target this hidden system. Molecules like melatonin act right at the cellular level to prevent UV-induced depletion of repair enzymes. Meanwhile, L-theanine and specific forms of magnesium, like magnesium L-threonate, actively support nervous system regulation. They help force the body to transition into those vital slow-wave sleep stages where the real regenerative miracles occur.
Your biology is constantly listening to your behavior. Every choice you make echoes at the cellular level. So as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this final thought that fundamentally changes how you understand your own body. If sleep is the master switch for human aging, immune regulation, and cellular repair, what biological signals are you sending your cells tonight?